Hi, English 102 students. I am happy to talk to you about the first of the big papers that you will be writing in this course. As you know, you will be writing an exploratory research paper, you will be writing an informative research paper, and then finally an argumentative research paper. You will be presenting on the argumentative research paper. Those are the four major assignments that we have in this class, and then we have a lot of stepping stones and smaller assignments, formative assignments to help you do the work that you need to do to build these larger papers and the one presentation. In week 1, you explored how to come up with a topic, you did a progress checkpoint, and you did a short quiz on academic integrity. So you read through these materials about starting off your inquiry, your research. In this next week, you are getting into reading the materials that you located last week and writing about the materials in an exploratory fashion. What that means is you're just exploring. You are just getting used to the ideas and concepts and sometimes controversies that surround your selected research topic. But you do not need to pose any kind of argument at this point. You really are just exploring the writing that has already been done about your topic. So you will be utilizing two sources, two articles and or research studies, and then summarizing them and evaluating those two sources. Since you have come up with a research question or possibly a tentative research question, you will determine how well your sources do answer that research question, and then make a plan going forward, how it is you are going to learn more about the topic that you selected. So you will want to read through this page in particular, what is an exploratory research process, and you want to be sure you have done the assignments that were given to you last week. You do not want to skip steps because you will actually just be making the work harder for yourself if you just try to write the paper without doing the building blocks that we have put into the course for you. You have this very helpful page on the sample paper. Utilizing a former student's paper, we have broken down what it is that you are expected to do in your own exploratory research paper. So you can access that resource, the Google Slides, and also the full text of the paper. So you have the full text in the D2L format, but you can also download in either Microsoft Word or PDF format. When it comes time to writing the paper itself, be sure you take advantage of supports like the Writing Center or your instructor's office hours, student hours, so that you can get answers to your questions. As you are looking for this assignment, it is in week 2, so you will scroll down underneath the learning materials, you'll scroll down to the assignment itself. This is where you will be submitting it. It explains what the process is. There are, of course, rubrics embedded and a brief overview of the length of the essay and then some APA expectations, like how it should be spaced, what fonts you should use, and then the format of your title page, headings, citations, and the reference page. If you have questions about APA as you work on this paper, you can also go to our English Common Modules and select the APA Reference Guide. Your instructor and the Writing Center tutors are also really helpful in terms of APA format. If you have any questions, please get in touch with your instructor, and we hope that you have a good time as you learn about your topic.